downward like this.
Yeah.
Pull it. Push it downwards again. Like that.
Welcome to Tate Modern in London. Tate Modern is a free admission with a ticket or a membership card to enter for the galleries. They're open Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Booking is recommended for you to enter the building. Tate Modern is a jewel in the crown of modern art galleries in London. It holds the nation's collection of modern art from 1900 to the present day. Today we're here for a free activity where children can actually use a proper working tools like saw, hammer and nails.
Okay. Come back round.
Work it out, Zara.
Like all the way and all the way back. Backwards. That's good. You picked a nice doable thickness of wood as well, I think. Oh, it's squeaky, isn't it?
2,000 years later.
Just make that last bit a bit easier because it starts to sort of go in like that and make it really hard to saw if you hold it quite still.
Okay?
You were doing so well.
Doing very well, Zara.
Back. Sticky ups.
It's pretty hard work. Free activity for children at Tate Modern. All you have to do is book online and find your time slot that suits your time, turn up, and yeah, there you go. It's fun. It's a learning process for children and adults. Work it out, MJ. Work it out. You can do it, Jay. You can do it. You can do it. Do you need some help? You sure? You sure? Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. Pull it back all the way. Pull it back all the way. Pull it back. Yeah. Okay. And then push. Pull. Okay. Yeah. Put it. Yes. You're doing it. You're doing it right now. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Do you want me to help you? Tita Sherelle, no adults. You can do it, Zara. A few more bits. It's only bits hanging. Yeah. What kind of wood is this? Right, okay. Hey, well done. Well done, you. Well done.
Just like this.
Yeah.
Move it downwards. Isabella, watch your hand. Watch it downward like this.
Yeah.
Pull it. Push it downwards again. Like that. But it's a very hard, very tough wood.
May your finger lang ba? Sharp
Do
yan.
you wanna try, Isabella? Ate Kay, you want to continue this one? Okay. Just push it downwards like this. Pull. Push it downwards. Pull. Push it downwards like that. Okay? First time. Kaya mo yan! Bira! How are you doing it? Doing well, Shay. Doing well. It's a hard work. Wow. Ah, no wonder. You did very well. Isabella, you finished? Oh, it's Kaylee's turn. Yeah. Get going, get going. Get going. Isabella, did you have your turn?
Yeah. And when you go down, and angle it slightly a bit more like this, and then try. Sorry. Yeah. Pressure on the neck. That way. Just to go a bit faster.
Wow. These are all the future builders. Shailene the builder
Bob the builder.
or Zara the builder?
Bob the builder.
What you building? What you building?
Chair.
A chair.
No, not there. You put like that. Like that. You know that. Message. Ready?
Ready?
Not my
Ready?
finger, huh?
Ready?
But how will it stick all the way down?
I-mark mo kasi, Che. Mark mo muna.
Okay, sorry.
Mark mo, mark mo. Okay? And then, yeah. Mark. And then let her. Oh, sige. Let her do the job. Come on, Zara. Come on, sit down.
That's it. Don't sit on the floor, huh? You ready? Go. Harder, malamig.
Harder. You use all your force, all your energy.
That's it. Good job.
Wow. Future builder, Zara. Jay, what you doing, Jay?
You know, you can go help the construction man.
Oh, wow. Well done. That's really good. Well done. This is my future builder. It's called Builder MJ. Show me your face, Builder MJ. It's okay. It's okay. Carry on.
How you looking the art, Karen?
Mind your finger. It's okay.
Oh! They're making take.
Mind fingers.
I'm making a chair or a table.
We're making a stool.
All right, guys. So what you made, you should be proud of yourself. You're now called certified builders. Yes? All right.
The kids are very excited and very proud to show their finished product. They made a stool from the building and they are so proud of themselves. This will be the best experience they have so far. That's all for now, folks. Until then, thanks very much for watching. Please leave me a like, comment, share, subscribe, and please press that bell button so you get notified for my new uploads. See you again soon. Bye for now.